In this video, you'll learn how to turn on the always on display clock on your Pixel 6. By following these instructions, you will enable a feature that allows you to view the clock without unlocking your device. Start by unlocking your Pixel 6 and locating the settings application on your home screen or app drawer. Once you have opened settings, scroll down until you find the option labeled display. This section contains various screen-related settings that you will need to access. After tapping on display, look for options related to lock screen or always on display. It is essential to find the correct section to proceed with enabling the clock display. Next, tap on the option for always on display or lock screen display to continue. Here, you will see a toggle switch that allows you to turn this feature on or off. To enable the always on display, slide the toggle to the right. This action will activate the feature, allowing your phone to display the clock and notifications on the screen even when it is locked. This functionality is particularly useful for quickly checking the time without needing to unlock your device. You could also adjust any additional display preferences that may be available in this menu. After enabling the always on display feature, take a moment to explore any customization options that may be present. Depending on your preferences, you can adjust settings such as the brightness of the display or select what specific information is shown on the screen. Once you have made any desired adjustments, exit the settings menu. The changes you made will be applied automatically, so there is no need for further confirmation. Now, lock your phone to see the always on display in action. You should notice that the clock is visible on your screen, along with any notifications you have enabled. Ensure that the clock is working properly and displaying the correct time. If everything appears as expected, you have successfully enabled the always on display clock on your Pixel 6. This feature will now provide you with easy access to time and notifications without needing to unlock your phone. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.